Scour AI is a newly released AI software that's already making waves in the tech world. And today, we're going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone curious about the latest AI tools, this review will give you everything you need to know to decide if Scour AI is worth your time. First up, the standout feature of Scour AI is its data scraping power. This software allows you to gather and analyze massive amounts of information from multiple sources across the internet, all in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Imagine how much faster you could build a content strategy or market research report when the data is automatically pulled, categorized, and analyzed in real time. This is an AI software built to save you hours, if not days, of tedious work. And right now, you can try it completely free from the first link below. What sets Scour AI apart from others in its category is its integration with popular digital marketing platforms. It's built with the modern marketer in mind, making it easy to integrate your findings into your campaigns. With tools that connect seamlessly to email marketing, content management systems, and social media platforms, you'll be able to implement your AI-powered insights instantly. No more jumping between platforms, trying to pull everything together manually. Another key benefit is its versatility. Whether you're working in e-commerce, SEO, or even content creation, Scour AI adapts to different needs. This flexibility is crucial for anyone looking for an AI tool that can be used across various industries and niches. You can tweak the settings and tailor the software to your specific objectives, and it doesn't feel rigid like some other tools in the market. Scour AI also makes data accessible for people who aren't necessarily tech-savvy. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You won't need a degree in computer science to use this tool effectively. The learning curve is minimal, which means you can dive right in and start using it without wasting any time on figuring out how everything works. This is one of the reasons it's perfect for anyone new to AI software. Another important feature is the software's ability to analyze trends. Scour AI does more than just pull data. It finds patterns and highlights trends, giving you insights that are actually actionable. This makes it incredibly valuable for staying ahead of the curve, especially if you're a business owner or digital marketer who needs to act quickly based on real-time insights. One thing that makes Scour AI even more attractive is its affordability. While many AI tools are locked behind expensive subscription fees, Scour AI offers a free plan that includes a wide range of features. It's rare to see a new AI tool come to market with such an accessible pricing structure, and this is great for anyone on a budget or just getting started. Finally, the customer support team for Scour AI is top-notch. If you run into issues or have any questions, their support is responsive, knowledgeable, and ready to help you out. This kind of service makes a huge difference when working with any software. And it's something you'll appreciate if you decide to give Scour AI a try. So, should you give Scour AI a shot? If you're someone who wants to leverage AI to gather data quickly, analyze trends, and implement your findings seamlessly into your marketing strategy, it's absolutely worth checking out. And again, you can try it for free with the link in the description. Before I wrap up, I've tried hundreds of AI tools over the years, and I only recommend the ones that truly stand out. You can find my top picks for AI software in the description below. Thanks for watching.